Okay, so welcome back, basically. So now I'll give my introduction. So, as most of my subscribers know, I just got my G2, so we're doing a little G2 flex today, and we're at my favorite restaurant. It's just this like kind of quaint Mexican restaurant. It's called the Bell. It's called the Tacobell, the TV, yeah, I'm here with my twin, and we wear matching outfits. I don't know if you can hear these people singing this song of agreement. Women's workout. So I just have a soda. Oh, it's here. Oh, oh my gosh. Thank you. I'm a loser. Okay. I gave you a few options there. Oh no, that's thumbnail. Wait. Oh yeah. Okay, is this ours? I'm kind of confused by the thumbnail. Like, or how is this ours? This says 7-layer burrito on it. I got this cinnamon sugar bean burrito. Then it's a bean burrito. It's like hot. You guys sauce. Like the hot sauce? You like the fire sauce? I don't hate the fire, but I should eat the fire because I don't put less on. Mine says, I do, oui, je le veux. You know that you want me. Tu sais que tu me veux en français. Ben ouais. Ben ouais. What? So like, Pride's coming up, like. That's for you. Okay. I've never been able to go to Pride because I'm always working. I think that it should be a holiday and that you should get it off. Yo. Yeah, it should. Especially like, I don't know. Like, I don't know, when I have like a straight co-worker going to Pride and then my gay butt has to work. Linguine with roasted cherry tomatoes, green olives, and rosemary on the stove. Bread on the table. Oh crap, do you think he's mad? Should we have texted him or something? No. He doesn't know where we are. Yeah, but he sent that like, that's so formal. Like, did he just make it and leave or what? But I have some people that follow me on Instagram who like maybe think I'm a bit older than I am. So some like, dancers, perhaps. Oh yeah. Can't mess that up. Let's get the fries. I'm like full. Really? I'm not even done that. I can't edit our personalities. That's too bad. Damn, that hit hard. You out here looking like Bobo the Fool. It's Bobo! It's Bobo the Clown. Right? Who's who? I want to be Bobo the Fool. It honestly sounds like a rapper's name. What is, I mean, are you excited for the summer? When is the summer? Yeah, I'm basically, you know, in summer right now. Even though I'm taking a class, it's like really not a lot of work. And, yeah, I don't know. After this class finishes, then I'll have like my part-time job, which I've been working already. But oh, look. That's really cute. He looks like a beanie baby. Oh, I have just this little yeah, and then I had pierogies. I had like 8. Fried or steamed?
Boiled.
Oh, that's what I meant.
And then I had, like, Mummy was still eating and I was done, so she was like, do you want some pasta? So she made me pasta, like a big bowl. I was eating it for a long time. Like, I watched that Black Mirror episode and was still eating it because there was just so much. And now I'm here having 2 burritos and some french fries.
Oh yeah, eat the fries.
What about you?
I ate a banana, and now I'm eating this. I'm honestly, like, one of those people who, I know, like, breakfast is the most important meal of the day or whatever, but I'm also, like, I'm gonna eat when I'm hungry. You know?
I changed it to lunch.
Yeah, I heard that. So yeah, like, I feel like I just tend to eat later in the day, which I know is not good for you either. That you're supposed to leave a certain amount between, like, your last meal and when you go to sleep. But I do just get hungrier later in the day, and in, like, the first half of my day, I don't really want to eat anything. You should do this with your friends. They would be funnier. Censor yourself. Oh God, what's happening? I'm so full. I don't want my weenie. What's happening? Remember in Ratatouille? What isn't one of their names Linguini or something? Ah! You know what I have stuck in my head?
Oh, that was so hard to eat.
Why?
Because there was like a french fry stabbing me. And then there's too much food in my mouth.
That's because Kai's given up chewing.
Chewing? Listen. Life is just getting food into your mouth and down your gullet, and chewing is just one obstruction in that pathway. So just limit your chewing, you know?
Don't chew that. No, do chew.
Okay.
That's good. I'm messy. We've made a colossal mess here.
But that is good. That'd be real good.
Yeah, this is vegan, in case you live under a rock.
Oh,
Bobo the
don't
Clown.
be rude to my fans, Babaska the Joker.
Bob Black.
Like an old funnel cake.
So, I used to work at an amusement park making funnel cakes.
Okay, Bobo.
When I was like 14. It was like my first real job. Kai still hasn't had one of
It's
those.
this. Shut up. It's this. Bobo.
Okay, so I went to Scarborough, and then I was leaving, and I decided I was gonna take the...
Do you think we can see? Oh my God, we can see. Oh, there's people.
Nails, hair, hips, heels, ass, fat, lips, real.
Turns out I'm 100% that bitch.
Scary.
I wasn't that nervous at the same time, because, like, I mean, like, I wouldn't perhaps be nervous for a school presentation, because it could be something I hadn't studied for even...
Off the record, did you do an